Hello friend, welcome back. So today in this video I'll use a different way to share my stuff. I'll put my source code in GitHub. It's easier for you, right, to see, to view all the source code and resources we used in the project. Okay, so we'll do it step by step, and I'll show you how to check out the source code in GitHub repository. Okay, so I'll show you how I create a repository in GitHub publicly. So I'll go to github.com and create a new repository. So this is my name, and this is my account in GitHub. You don't need to have an account, but if you like, you can have one. Okay, you can use your Google account to log in, to sign up GitHub, or you can sign up from scratch. Yeah, but again, you don't need to have an account to check out the code I put here. Okay, so repository name, let's do snake for Mac. Okay, something like that. Description, simple snake game for Mac OS, like that. So I'll keep it public. So that's what so it will be shared to the whole world. And yeah, then at the readme file don't worry about that if you have no idea what it is. We are using Swift programming language. So Git Ignore, it means we'll ignore something when we check in our code to this repository. We don't want to check in everything. Yeah, those irrelevant with our project will be ignored when we check in the code to the GitHub repository. That's the purpose of that. And the different project like Java project or Swift project, and they have different thing to ignore. Okay, choose a license. I use this one. Okay, create repository. Okay, so I'll make a copy of that one, and yeah, if you want to check out, you can copy this one and do the following. Okay, so now I'll go to, oh, you don't need to do this to view the code. Okay, only if you want to check out the code and create a clone or a copy of the whole project on your computer, then you need to do what I'm doing now. Okay, now let's go to the terminal, or you can search terminal, right, to bring up the terminal. Okay, so command plus to make it bigger, and I'll go to, I put all my Swift project under Xcode project under ls. Well, let's see, Xcode workspace. Okay, so I go there. That's my how I organize my stuff. There's something here. So today I'll add one. I'll check out. I'll make a clone of the newly created project here. So you don't need to do this if you don't want to make a clone of that, so git clone the command, line command, paste. I copy the URL from here and use the git clone command to make a clone, a copy of this one, the newly created project. Actually, there's only two trivial files here. Enter. Now let's see what we have here. ls. Oh, so there should be, let's make it bigger. There should be one new directory, which is snake mac. Where is the snake? Yeah, this guy, right? So let's go into the cd snake, yeah, tab key. Okay, now let's see what we have here. Two files, trivial files. It has nothing to do with our Xcode project. Yeah, so it means we don't have anything. Now we'll create our macOS project here. Where? Here, pwd, like user, my name, my home. This is my home directory, then the subdirectory and the project directory, right? So we'll put all our stuff here. Currently there's only two files here. And okay, now go to Xcode. It's here. Oh yeah, create, right? Create a new Xcode project. Click that. We are familiar with this, right? So today we'll create a macOS app, Snake. So next, and name Snake is a good name for that. So be careful. You can put whatever you like here, like com dot your name, something. Yeah, if you don't want to publish your app onto Apple's App Store, this is not very important. And interface, yeah, let's use storyboard. Not the other thing, just use the storyboard. It's easier to follow. And language is Swift. There's another one, object. This is old programming language used by Xcode. Okay. Include test. We can, yeah, don't worry about that. So next. Okay, so now I want to put my new project inside this directory. So this time, yeah, so if we put it here, it's under Git control. Git is a super good source code management system. Okay, so before we put all our project right here under the temp directory, so it's not under Git control. It won't be saved in the GitHub server like GitHub. So today so it's inside, you see, Xcode workspace here, and snake dash mac here. Yeah, you see there are two files already, right? Now we'll put our new project inside here. So create. Yeah, so you see those things means M means modified, A means added. Okay, so we added some files here, and yeah, why is M? It means it's added and modified. Okay, so now let's check here. ls, there's one. Oh, remember we have a few days ago we introduced, right? We installed the tree command command tool. So now we can use tree to see, yeah, beautiful tree, right? So this is the top level old file, and everything under this directory, right, is newly created, right? So we have like an under the snake, the Xcode create another snake directory, and this directory snake dot Xcode, and this will be same as the finder. So we can see here, and the snake mac, you see, right? This tree is exactly same as this tree. So we have a snake. Now you can see, right, this image, we cannot see this image using finder, because you can see either this one or that one. You cannot like expand both of them at the same time. That's why we like this tree tool so much. Okay, and now make sure it's runnable. Okay, run it. Our empty, yeah, here, this is our empty snake app. Okay, now how do we submit or commit our code and then push to the GitHub direct repository? Now the git command here, you don't need to do that. So yeah, we'll repeat this again and again, so don't worry about that. So git status, we can check is that, you see there's a lot newly added. So we can do, we'll commit these changes, right? New file. So git commit -a means all. Okay, now this is inside the vim editor, and I press I to enter the insert mode. Okay, so I put like a comment for the changes we just made. Okay, now we can say created snake Xcode project, something like that. Now escape key, okay, to quit the insert mode and enter the command mode of this editor. Now the command is $X means save and quit. Okay, now let's check using the up arrow key, check the status again. We can see nothing to command. Working tree clean, it means now we can push this commit, all right, the change to the remote GitHub server. It means all these files will be saved to here, will be committed to here. Okay, I'll show you immediately. Okay, now yeah, let's do the push. So for the first, yeah, normally we do this git push, but for if it's the okay, yeah, so it's in the main branch. Okay, now let's see here, let's refresh that. Yeah, you see, golden sun created snake. This is the comment I put there, right? So we can click here, this is the project file. So let's see the other file. Click here again. So yeah, this is the folder. You see the two folder, right? The two folders match the tree here. Yeah, so you can see everything I just created here. So let's see which one is, yeah, this is a Swift file. Okay, so let's check this view controller. Okay, this file. So in this guy here, right, here is local to my computer, right, like a class, right, there's two functions, this one view did load and represented object. Okay, now let's see if you, so when you go here, right, you can type in, so let's use an like for example, you can type in this, let's see what is the, yeah, github.com, my name and snake mac. So let's use this is called what, incognito, right? You've gone incognito. This is like I'm not using my Google account. So now if you go to GitHub, my name, then snake dash mac, enter, yeah, right, you go here. So if you click here and navigate in, you can see, right, app delegate, yeah, view controller file. So you see it's easier, right, for you to review the code we'll put in our video. Okay, so we'll continue to add new stuff in our next video. Okay, see you then. Thank you for watching.